Ingredients required: 2 to 3 garlic cloves, fresh lemons sliced, and lukewarm water, and honey to taste. The preparation: take some lukewarm water and add 2 spoons of honey to it. After adding, take the fresh sliced lemon and squeeze it into the mixture. You can also filter the seeds later, or you can before itself you can take out the seeds and then squeeze the lemon into the lukewarm water. Now just stir vigorously so that it mixes well. First chew garlic cloves and then drink this mixture, or else you can also blend garlic cloves with this mixture if you cannot take or chew raw garlic. Drink this every morning with empty stomach to lose your belly fat. This is also good remedy for flu, common cold and cough. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.